If you're ready to schedule your FAA Part 107 exam, one step you must take is to get your FTN number first. And in this video, I'll walk you through the exact process. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, this is Adam with UAV Coach. As a trusted drone education company, we're here to help you fly your drone safely and confidently. So here's how to get your FTN number and book your Part 107 exam. And a quick note, we will provide links to each website mentioned in the description below. First, it's important to know that the FAA Part 107 exam is officially called the Unmanned Aircraft General-Small UAG. It's administered by PSI, a testing company with about 800 test center locations across the US. You can take the exam whenever you're ready, as it's offered on a rolling basis. To get your FAA Tracking Number, or FTN for short, you'll need to register on the FAA's IACRA website. So go to the IACRA website, again, links will be provided below, and click Register in the top right to create a new account. On the next page, choose Applicant, then skip the certificate information section on the next page. Finally, fill out the rest of the form, which is pretty straightforward. Once you complete this, you'll receive your FTN. This is your unique identifier for all FAA activities. And after you have your FTN, head over to the PSI website to schedule your test. First, create a PSI account, log in, and click Select. In the search bar, type UAG. Choose Unmanned Aircraft Systems from the drop-down menu. Then click Select in the bottom right corner. A point of confusion when booking your exam is the authorization category and number of attempts fields. Unlike other FAA exams for other types of pilot licenses, you do not need an authorization form or instructor endorsement to take your Unmanned Aircraft General exam. So when booking your exam through PSI, the authorization category is none, and if this is your first time taking the initial test, the number of attempts is 1. If you have already taken the initial test, then the number of attempts would be 2, 3, etc. And that's it. 2 simple steps to get your FTN number and schedule your Part 107 exam. Let us know in the comments if you've taken the exam and how you did on it. If you want help studying for the exam, we have the #1 online test prep course called Drone Pilot Ground School, which you can learn more about in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone tips. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.